Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Jeremy Sutton, owner of Servant PT, host of the Servant PT podcast. I help women 50 and over live a life full of health, family, and fun. Today, I'm going to be talking about self-worth. So, do you have any self-worth? Guys, ladies, gentlemen, men, boys, girls, kids, we all need to know that we're worth something. And we all need to pour into ourselves so we can give to others. You know, my business is about servant leadership. It's about serving people. It's based on Philippians 2:4 that says, look out not only for your own interests, but also for the interests of others. I don't know that I even knew that verse until about 5 years ago. But when I read it, I knew that that's what I wanted my life to be about. You know, my life's about Jesus. I want to serve Him. I want to live for Him. I fail Him daily, but I strive to be a follower of His, be His child, be His faithful servant. But that Philippians 2:4 verse, just looking out for other people, not for your own interests, that verse is so important to me. Because we see people so many times just looking out for themselves. You know, I used to hear people, I haven't heard anybody say this in a long time. I think it's because they won't say it around me, but like, we'll get all we can as quickly as we can, make as much money as we can, and then go on from there. But that's not what life's about. That's not what my life's about anyway. But talking about self-worth, let's get back to that before I jump off in a tangent. I can't get back. Yesterday, I talked to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. I had one more call I was supposed to make that didn't happen because of dinner and with the kids and my wife. Talked to one person this morning. I've talked to about 15 people this week, driving back and forth on calls, little 10, 15-minute calls, about educating yourself and pouring into yourself and learning more so you can help more people. In school, we learned to get continuing education because we had to have it and we needed to learn more skills. Well, now I know that I have really all the skills that I need to be a successful physical therapist. I mean, I still want to learn things. I'm not arrogant. I'm not saying I know it all. But I've been a PT for 9 years. I've been successfully treating people for 9 years. Now, I have a dry needling certification that I got 2.5 years ago or whenever it was. And I've been treating people with that skill since then. But one of the cool things is if I tell somebody I want to do dry needling on them and they say no, and they say, well, can we treat this without? I'm like, yeah, we can treat it without. Hey, good morning, Michael. I can't see whoever else is watching, but good morning, guys. Thanks for watching. But yeah, we can treat it without dry needling. I treated people for 7 years successfully without dry needling. So it was just an extra bonus. But what I'm saying is I don't necessarily need to add a whole lot more clinical skills to what I have because I've been using the same ones for 9 years and they've been working well. And the human body hasn't changed in 9 years. So what I really need is personal skills, professional skills, business skills, management skills, entrepreneurial skills is what I need. And that's really what I've been focusing on over the last 2 years, and especially the last year and a half, with listening to podcasts every day, listening to audiobooks every day, doing online courses. Right now I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4 online courses. Now, I don't have time to do that stuff every night, but I have the knowledge there. I have access to that stuff for life. So I'm going in this one for a little while, I'm getting something. I go in this one for a little while and get something. So I'm building myself up so I can give to other people. And that's never something that was really taught to me that much was to build up on myself. And so I had these 2 amazing podcast guests last year. Maybe this year, I'm sorry. Cheryl Zai, who's a massage therapist and so much more in Shreveport, Bossier. And then Lisa Arundel, who's a women's fitness expert. She's got a nutrition course. She's amazing as well. And they both said the same thing. You can't give from an empty cup, meaning you can't serve if you don't have anything to serve with. If you have nothing inside of you to give, you can't give to people. Excuse me, guys. And so that's what I started doing. I started filling my cup up so I could pour out into other people. Started filling my wife's cup up. You know, we started helping each other out so we can serve other people. And that's what it's about. Like, you have to build yourself up so you can build other people. If you're not strong, you can't hold somebody else up. So Guys, that's what I want to talk about this morning. I got some people pulling up. I don't want to make them wait. I want to go serve them. So pour into yourself. You have self-worth. Know that you're wonderfully, beautifully, perfectly made, and go out and love yourself and then love other people. Guys, have an awesome weekend.